Hey there. Ever feel like life's a bit too much? We've all been there. But today, I'm here to share something ancient yet incredibly powerful that can change your life. Stoicism. Now, you might be thinking, Stoicism? Isn't that just for philosophers? But hold on. It's a way of thinking that anyone can use. Yes, even you. First off, Stoicism teaches you to focus on what you can control. Think about it. How much stress comes from worrying about things beyond our grasp? By zeroing in on what you can change, you'll find a sense of calm and clarity. Next, it's all about perspective. Stoicism encourages you to see challenges as opportunities. Imagine turning every setback into a stepping stone. Sounds empowering, right? Another gem is the practice of negative visualization. It's not about being pessimistic, but rather preparing your mind for anything. Visualize the worst-case scenario. When it doesn't happen, you'll appreciate what you do have even more. And let's not forget gratitude. Stoics remind us to be thankful for the little things. A warm cup of tea, a good book, or even just a quiet moment. These small joys add up, trust me. So why not give Stoicism a shot? It's not just dusty old philosophy, it's a toolkit for a happier, more resilient you. Embrace it and see how it transforms your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay strong, stay grounded.